morning, Renee Starms here, and I want to share with you a great way to build your blog or website. Now, one of the greatest things you can do when you go online with your business, whether it's a brick and mortar or it's just an online venture, you want to provide a frequently asked questions section. Yes, this section can save you a lot of time, build your credibility, and just make it so much easier and a smoother process to actually run your business and give your customers an opportunity to make a buying decision quicker because you've answered a lot of their questions. Then they won't have to waste their time or yours or take up any additional time trying to get the answers to those questions before purchasing what you have to offer. So I just want to leave you with that little tip, and hope you found that helpful. Have a good day.